Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! So you want to know more about homemade refrigerator smoker? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about homemade refrigerator smoker is www.smoked-meat.com. See the page titled Fridge Smoker Conversion, Smoking Meat Forums. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.smoker-cooking.com, especially the page Homemade Refrigerator Smoker, Smoker Cooking It's How. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.youtube.com. The web page Homemade Refrigerator Smoker, YouTube. This is the link.